to take a look at our odd USD. So odd USD is currently dropping right here. It is giving us a minor movement, which is which is trending to the downside. We are going to analyze it and we are going to look at what we are going to be expecting for the day. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you have not done that yet. If you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, this is the odd USD right here. So, odd USD has literally been trending to the upside right here. Right, it has been giving us a series of higher high and higher low. Now, if we take a look at this moment, right, market then give us the first low, and this is the lower high. Market has now been able to drop one more time to form a new low, and this is the lower high. Our next movement here on odd USD will be another low. As you can see, this movement has literally tapped our 10-period simple moving average. So that should serve as a confluence that market is going to do. So guys, whatever you want to be doing, be looking for a sell setup. Now, also have it in mind that this on our 4-hour time frame, market is just choppy within this level right here. Market is just choppy, as you can see, candlestick weak, flying up and down, flying here and there. So anytime soon, you should be anticipating for a rejection that will make market to drop on odd USD. So guys, whatever you want to be doing, anticipate for a sell. Look for a bearish move, right? Once you see the sell setup, go ahead and take the sell. If you can't find the sell setup, it will be best to start on this trade. Only going for the sell and find the sell setup. So the bearish move for the day is what we're going to be expecting on odd